Look at all the help I have doing chores right now. I guarantee I'm gonna go over there and they already have food, but they think they're starving. Let's go. Let's go take a look at your food. They all follow me. Can you guys see it? It's my entourage. Are you hungry? Oh, look at Gwen right there inside the straw. Look at Gwen in there, staying warm. You being nice, Trudy? Yeah, you got food, just like I thought you would. I'll give you a little extra. Really? I was more worried about the water. That's stuck. Kitty cats need water. Here's your water. Drink up.